Follow these steps to replace the GFCI power cord. Begin by grabbing the GFCI, feel for a vibration. A vibration means it's damaged and is the likely cause of the jackpotting issues with the vending machine. Next, disconnect the GFCI cable. Find the back of the machine. Loosen 4 screws on the back cover strain relief so that the cover can be removed. Now use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the P-clamp. Remove the cord from the machine connection. Replace the old power cord with the new one. Also connect the female end of the new cord to the back of the machine. Place the cord inside the P-clamp and attach it to the back of the machine. Place the strain relief cover back on. Finally, plug the cord into the wall.